Hi everybody, Kyle here with Off Leash K9 Training in Canton, Ohio, and this pretty lady I have with me is Khloe. Khloe is a 5-year-old yellow lab that just graduated our 2-week board and train program. Khloe is a super big sweetheart, but she can be a bit mischievous at times and has been known to leave a crime scene to get a little extra attention. She's a sweet, sweet girl, but she needed a little help and guidance with her basic obedience to round out her beautiful personality. Here's a look at her and I getting to meet and work together on day 1.
Khloe didn't really care for the recall. She was much more content doing her own thing than coming back and listening to me. Khloe understood the sit command, but had no stability. As you can see, she gets up every time I go and step away. As you can see, the down command was a no-go for Khloe. No matter how many times she was asked, she was not going to comply. We got the same results with the place command. Although Khloe doesn't lack confidence, she had no concern over placing on the cot. While Khloe didn't do awful on the heel walk, she did want to be in charge, pulling ahead on the leash and sniffing everything in our path, tripping me up quite a few times.
Khloe is an amazing girl, a little stubborn at times, but she never stopped learning. Here's a look at everything she accomplished in just 2 short weeks, and let me know what you guys think.